Society is giving everything for us. I promoted economic reforms. Second generation reforms I implemented. Today, we are implementing P3, public-private partnership. If you see colleges, if you see roads, telecom, power sector, so many things, even hotels, everybody is coming public-private partnership. In the process, you are charging user charges, you are borrowing money, you are repaying money, you are also benefiting. But what we thought, economic benefits will trickle down to the last mile. Poverty will be eradicated. That is going slowly. In this country, billionaires are emerging. Under the same time, haves and have-nots, the gap is widening. This is the right time all of us has to think. What type of future society we have to imagine? You are seeing globally so many countries. Europe is one model where equitable wealth. America is another model. Now India, we have to think positively. I wanted to eradicate poverty. First phase, zero poverty. After that, continuous empowering those who are all below last mile. There I am introducing now public-private people's partnership. Top 10% high net worth individuals has to adopt bottom 20%. 1:1 or 1:many. If we can do that, here we got an opportunity. Ramdev Babaji got an opportunity. He born in a small family. Now he is a great guru, internationally renowned. How we got an opportunity? Even Ambedkar ji, even Modi ji, even NTR, everybody born in a small way, but they molded their life, they got an opportunity. Sometimes somebody has given some hand holding or help or on their own, they are all built. Here, issue is public as capital. We have to empower them. Timely assistance, mentoring, guidance, short term, medium term, long term, if we do, then all families will be turned around economically. Suppose one example I am giving you. One family, they don't have skills. If you create some additional skills for them and create better employment, better livelihood, that family will be better off. Or 10th class student, they don't have money. Then if you give assistance for better education, 4 or 5 years, you will get best employment. If you get best employment in a knowledge economy, that family will be totally above poverty and he will help others in course of time. This is the concept I am creating, P4 model. That also I am requesting all of you. If it is suitable to your, even CSR is available for everybody. What all I wanted to request all of you, your bandwidth of management. I am talking, I born in a small village. I used to walk 6 kilometers for high school. Then university, I molded myself. I became MLA, minister, then chief minister, everything. So, what I wanted to emphasize here, human beings are having extraordinary powers. How to tickle that, how to make them more productive. If you give that tip for him, if he emerge, nothing will stop him. That is where we are working. I will send you all the details for you. Kutumbarao is working now is the in charge of P4 policy. I am bringing all big companies, individuals globally who are all benefited out of our policies or from society. They have to come back, they have to adopt, repay to the society. That is my motto. I am requesting all of them. Ultimately, tourism. It is only the sector where it is going to give happiness and health. I am giving a slogan now. Don't work hard, work smart. People are all saying today, because of technology, jobs will go. Jobs won't go. Various innovative ways are coming. People are spending 3 hours, 4 hours or 6 hours. Or earlier people used to work 7 days. Now they will work only 5 days or 4 days. 3 days they are going for holiday. Holiday means again they are spending money. Somebody is getting employment. It is going to happen. This is the cycle. I am very happy. Friends, I am requesting all of you again and again. You have seen today meeting also. Ramdev Guruji, how we brought his empire Patanjali. Now he is going to make Andhra Pradesh tourism on the global map. He will give ideas, he will promote, we will execute. Government of India, I am requesting you bring people. They will be benefited. I am telling you, they will be benefited. We will give all policies. You guide me, any policy is having any problem, I can transform, I will revive immediately. But Andhra Pradesh will give a model for other states to execute, to follow. But ultimately tourism is only the sector you are going to have lot of future, and all of us has to make India proud. As some people has rightly mentioned, we are spending huge money now. If you go to any country, any hotel, full of Indians only. We are spending, Indians are spending all over the world. Why can't we create that type of environment? We can spend here and foreigners will come. With this wonderful meeting, Thakurji, excellent. You have done very well. Even I appreciate my officers also, Ajay Jain and others. They are also very innovative way they are able to promote. Now this is good. Even director, Amarapali and everybody, they have done very well. Now I am asking time, speed of doing business. My ministry is here. I don't want to hear 1 hour delay from now onwards. You make everything possible. Then you are going to see 1 year's time, it will be different state. Guruji, again I am asking you, every 1 year, one event we will have. We will review what we have done and place before public what we have done and take forward then onwards. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, one and all. Excellent.